So yesterday we got the reveal of the Surface Duo. Z Fold 8. I love it. I absolutely love it. It literally gives me the Z Fold Duo vibes, like the Surface Duo vibes, but for the Z Fold device, and it looks gorgeous. Look at this bad boy right here. So as we go through, you can see a little bit different than the Z Fold 7. Now, there's two different models, the Z Fold 8 and the Z Fold 8 Ultra. The Ultra is pretty much just a continuation of the Z Fold lineup. It's nothing, it's better, okay, than the Z Fold 7, but it's not the Ultra. I'm sorry, it's not the normal wide model, which makes it not that good. Also, if you're wondering, the wide model will be the exact same look and feel as the iPhone Ultra that comes out later this year. So if you're wondering what the iPhone Ultra is going to feel like, it's going to feel like the wide model. Very, very similar based on leaks. So do you want to get an early version of the wide model? Then you can, of the iPhone Ultra, you can get the wide model. So again, is it one for one as beautiful as this device is right here? No, it's not. But it also doesn't go 360 degrees, and the one that goes 180. It's still beautiful. It's still amazing. It still looks so freaking good. And it's still very powerful as well. That's something that, again, haven't really talked about in this video so far. But very powerful device, and for what it is, I'm definitely going to get one. That's not even a question. That's not even a question. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is going to be $18.99. If you go with the upgraded Ultra model, you actually do get it for $2,099. So the Ultra model is the same price as the 512 GB model here. Now keep in mind, no more double storage for pre-ordering the device. Samsung has cut that off. They said no more. We're not going to give you double storage when you pre-order the device anymore. Apparently, memory cost has gone up so much that they can't afford to do that. So, I know they would love to give us free storage, but they just simply can't afford it anymore. Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, so no longer can you get free storage upgrades, which it sucks, but it is what it is at the end of the day. But yeah, so taking a look at this device. It's over. Ooh. I haven't gotten this excited for a device since the Surface Duo lineup. It's been quite a minute. It's been quite a minute. It just, oh man. It's a perfect size. It's a perfect size, it's perfect shape. It's not long and narrow. It doesn't feel weird in your hand. It's just the perfect type cell phone. And of course, it does have form factor, unfold more possibilities, shape for content, 50 megapixel dual cameras, brightest display, super steady video with horizontal lock. So it has pretty much all the cool features that comes out with the S Ultra lineup. Powerful performance. It does have, I believe, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite, I believe, which is the newest one. Well, newest one. It's the one that has been the top of the line. Yeah. So then we got the other model. We also got Z Flip 8, which I'll just put it in there. Okay. Samsung's website. Stop fighting me. Z Flip 8. It looks exactly like the typical Z Flip devices. Although I will say bezel wise, almost bezel-less. Beautiful. Also the wide, and I'm going to go back to the wide here. The wide also has like no crease as well. Did I say it's like a really great device? It's a really great device. It's actually pretty amazing. Now, why don't they give me the... Okay, here you go. I had to click on the Ultra variant. Here is the Z Fold 7. 8. Ultra. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. But it's more powerful, upgraded. It's not the wide model. It finally has 5,000 megahertz, whatever. With the, you know what? No, I'm I just got 100 comments. You don't know how to say that. I do, but I do want the comments. So, if you're offended by that, please tell me down below. Me saying it wrong on purpose. Anyway, we do have the 8-inch display inside, 6.5-inch outside. Yeah, it's cool. It's $2,099, and you don't get the double storage, which I like. I actually am more offended by than the the best one, the one you should get, the one that actually makes sense, or just wait for the iPhone Ultra. Either or. But just so gorgeous, so beautiful. 7.6-inch inside display, 5.5 outside. Okay, I'm fangirling over this the whole entire video, but I'm sorry, but this is gonna happen. You should have saw me when the Surface Duo first came out. I was also very much fangirling over it. So, see you guys next one.